Yo, what is up fam? Thanks once again for tuning in to KIXPLORE. This is where we talk about sneakers, lifestyle, travel, and a little bit of everything in between. You know what it is. And today we're going to be talking about the most basic sneaker that every sneakerhead needs in their collection. And or basically any guy or any girl, I think they really need at least an all-white pair of sneakers in their collection. And it's pretty obvious why, because they match almost everything that you wear. And it's such an easy kind of no-brainer sneaker to put on. So like, if you're in a hurry or you're just being, feel like being just really super casual, you can definitely just chuck this on with almost anything and you're still gonna have a really nice outfit. So once again, shout out to the guys at Rolllie. Shout out to the guys there for hooking me up with one of their really nice sneakers. I did initially ask for I think the Weekender. This is the Prime, but this is still a really nice sneaker. It feels really nice to the touch, very minimal. Almost reminds me of the Common Projects style sneakers, which are so expensive, whereas these ones are more fairly priced. Definitely go check it out on the website because they do have really wild kind of designs and silhouettes that they have there. Not just this, but I know this one's really like plain and simple, but on their website they have really cool different designs there. And I think that's what the whole slogan, enemies of gravity, as you can see there. Enemies of gravity there, and it's also got it all along the outsole. I think the whole reason why they kind of put that onto their sneakers is because they want people to be more kind of expressive about themselves. They don't want them, because sometimes society may put us in a box, and Rollie's trying to help you guys to break out of that box, to be more expressive of yourself, and just all that kind of stuff. So I think that's really cool as well. But this one, very plain, very minimal, and that's something that really fits my aesthetic, and definitely it will help you kind of just make better outfits. That's what I think, especially if you just get the all-white pair. And that's what we'll be talking about today. So shout out to the guys at Rolllie for sending this over, and definitely this is like one of the most versatile sneakers that you can get, even though it looks so minimal. And I think Vince LeBon and his wife Kat, the head designers and creators for the brand for Rolllie, that's what they kind of do, because they were traveling around like Europe and all this kind of stuff, and people were like stopping them and telling them, oh man, you got awesome shoes. And I really like this one. It's really nice to the touch. It's very smooth, especially the bottom right now, because I haven't really used it, of course, but it's really smooth to the touch. It feels like really, it just feels really nice. And I know it's got like all this kind of technology that goes into the EVA, the midsole and everything like that, the cushioning. I know that it has this sort of like energy return, that's EV energy return. So it's going to be very comfortable, especially when you use it when you're going casual and stuff. So when you're going out, going to the groceries, even just going to the city in these, I think these are definitely a great sneaker, especially if you're really into the whole minimal aesthetic. I think this is something that you really need to get. So definitely go check out Rolllie, and let's get into these outfits, shall we? Yeah. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed that kind of little lookbook with the white sneakers. Basically, it's something that I always enjoy. And I always advise you guys, even the guys starting out, or even the guys that have been there for a long time in the sneaker game, definitely you need a white sneaker. And yeah, definitely give Rolllie a go. Yeah, they're a really nice brand. Anyway guys, thanks once again for tuning in. Please continue, give me that big thumbs up if you learned something in this video. And yeah, if you like the content in general, please consider subscribing to the channel. Anyway guys, a big thank you guys, and hope you're staying safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.